I'm not sure many people would have wanted to watch it. So instead, I've thrown together InStyle, and just to get everyone in a bit of momentum going, again, what we did for the team this morning was to do a Gen AI music video. So in true Taylor Swift style, these guys never heard it, you've never heard it, it's brand new for today, and bang.
Just the booty
Go on. It's like that's it. Don't take it over today. Nico? Yeah, work on. This is like a whole 2 minutes waiting. I'm going to throw the eggplant back in now. He's put it up to look at trying to do something more. So, completely out of breath, which just shows you how fit I am. So obviously, yeah, I wanted to say a massive thanks for obviously sending us over. And one of the other things we managed to do is turn testers into superheroes, right? It got a little bit out of hand this morning when we started turning Nico into a Viking, and it was naked, and I was like, just the way that new generation works. I was thinking about it. So I've just done these two, and then I put together, using Runway.ai while I was back at the hotel, a quick video of turning a tester into a superhero. Live from Runway.ai. It's about 5 seconds, that's about all the compute I had on left between my two breaks. But it's quite good quality, right? You can see there's some slight problems with her eyes, but let's just like cover that up, right? It didn't happen. But very impressive, right? And so I was going through looking at LinkedIn while we were kind of between sessions, and I said to the guys this morning that I do a podcast series, do 2 podcast series, one called theQAlead.com, and one called Test Talks with James Arbor and a few other guys. And this is my intro, but people call me the automation cyborg.
In the digital reality, evolution over revolution prevails. The QA approaches and techniques that worked yesterday will fail you tomorrow. So free your mind. The automation cyborg has been sent back in time. TED speaker Jonathan Wright's mission is to help you save the future from bad software.
Yeah, and I don't quite understand why everything's starting over here. It's like champagne, but a bit thick. So this was obviously the viral video.